It's very now nearly 10 o'clock and we're ready to open for our annual open day here at Beacon Park Boats. There's lots to see for adults and children, boats to walk in, a new boat on build, day boat trips down the canal so you can explore the water.
I mean, they are superb looking boats and they're very good quality. I mean, very envious, very envious. Having come here for the first time today, I'm in awe of this place. The workshop's fantastic. The people here, knowledge is brilliant. So we've had some very, very good information. We're absolutely delighted, aren't we?
Yeah, indeed, yeah. Absolutely.
I really liked Owl because you could feel the coziness as you walked down the steps into the cabin. I could cuddle up in that bed, I could sit in that jacuzzi, I could see myself making a cup of coffee in the morning. So that to me had a real feel of luxury, coziness, everything you want from a trip on a two-berth boat.
Can you tell me how it works?
You're supposed to pedal the things by here, then it starts moving.
You think it would be fast? How fast?
Really fast.
So I just looked around Robin and Owl. Robin I thought was really cute, nice and cosy, perfect for a little short trip for two people. Everything was luxurious. Nespresso machine on a canal boat, Le Creuset kettle. Loved it, just loved it all.
Very busy day, so I can't believe the turnout is incredible. Continuous people coming in looking at this boat Drake and seeing how she's being built. Very impressive so far, very good.